If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to manage memberships using Monday.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Monday.com for membership management, covering all the tools and features that make it a powerful solution for tracking members, organizing data, and streamlining communication. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a surprise alternative that could actually serve your needs better, plus a special free trial offer exclusive to our viewers. So let's dive in. First things first, Monday.com is an intuitive project management tool that can also be a game changer for membership management. You can use it to track member progress, store data, communicate, and set up workflows all in one place. What makes Monday.com stand out is its customizable boards, which are perfect for organizing membership lists, activity logs, and even membership tiers. Next thing, the core of Monday.com's functionality lies in its boards, which you can set up for each of your membership categories. You can create a members board where you list all members, their contact details, membership types, renewal dates, and payment status. The great thing is, you can also add color-coded labels or tags to easily see who is up to date with their payments or who needs follow-up. This is an ideal way to keep track of large groups without losing sight of the small details. The third thing, one feature that will make managing memberships easier is automations. With Monday.com, you can automate reminders for renewal dates, payment follow-ups, or when specific actions need to be completed. You can even set up automated notifications for your team to alert them when something important happens, like a membership upgrade or a missed payment. The fourth thing, communication with members is key, and Monday.com provides ways to integrate emails or use its built-in communication tools. You can create a comment section within each member's profile, making it easy to send direct messages or share files related to their account. This ensures all member communication stays organized in one place, saving you from jumping between platforms. Next, let's talk integrations. Monday.com integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom, which can help streamline communication and document sharing. However, depending on your needs, these integrations can get a bit overwhelming, especially if you're managing a high number of memberships. While these integrations are powerful, you may find it a bit cumbersome to constantly switch between apps. But here's the catch. While Monday.com offers a robust platform, it might not be the easiest for newcomers to set up and fully optimize for membership management. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with project management tools. And if you're looking for advanced features like billing management or automated reports, you might hit a wall unless you're willing to invest in higher tier plans. So, if you're considering Monday.com for membership management, it could be worth it, but there's a faster, simpler solution that I recommend. Stay tuned till the end because I'll introduce you to an alternative that might just be the perfect fit for your membership needs. Before we get there, let's look at some of Monday.com's strengths. It's highly customizable and very visual. If you love seeing everything at a glance, Monday.com can help you do that, making it perfect for membership tracking at a high level. But keep in mind that you'll need to invest some time into the setup process to get it right. Now, if you're looking for something more user-friendly and straightforward for membership management, especially if you're not tech-savvy, I have an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you can get an extended free trial of a competitor that is better optimized for this purpose. Not only will you get a better experience in managing memberships, but you'll also have access to features that Monday.com lacks, such as billing automation and membership renewals with less hassle. In summary, Monday.com is a great tool for managing memberships if you're comfortable with project management software and willing to learn its features. But if you're looking for something easier and more tailored to membership management, stick around and check out the alternative I recommend, which also comes with an amazing free trial available only through our link. Don't miss out on this offer. It could make your membership management a whole lot easier.